Hi guys, I'm here with Holly. What are we about to do?
We're about to climb up the iconic chute at the top of Double Sammy.
Let's go get it!
It's incredible. So many people have come on this line and just run it out the actual rock. It makes you work a little more. That had me sweating a little bit, but we're good. We got over there. That was really good. That's a new line. And sometimes you get a little stuck on things, but if you take it nice and easy, don't panic, you get it. So, yes. Seat time over everything.
Seat time over everything.
Heck yeah.